In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators to a GitHub repository. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to confirm that your teammate has access. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for GitHub. Click the official result to go to the GitHub homepage, then sign in to your account. Use your normal credentials and complete any two-factor prompt if it appears. You need to be signed in to the account that owns the repository or to an account with admin permissions on that repository. Next, navigate to the main page of the repository where you want help. You can find it from your Profile's Repositories tab or by using the search bar at the top of GitHub. Double-check that you're on the right project and the correct owner or organization, because invitations apply to the specific repository you're viewing. At the top of the repository, click the Settings tab, the one with the gear icon. If you don't see settings, you likely don't have the required permissions and may need to ask an owner for access. Once you're in Settings, look to the left sidebar. Under the Access section, choose Collaborators. This is the place where you manage who can contribute directly to your code. Click the green Add People button. In the field that appears, start typing the person's GitHub username, their full name, or the email address associated with their GitHub account. GitHub will show a drop-down of matching accounts. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct user handle and avatar, then click Add Name to this repository to send the invitation. You'll now see that person listed with a pending invite status. That means GitHub has sent them a notification by email and in their GitHub Notification Center. Let them know to check either place and accept the invite. Once they do, their status will update automatically and they'll have access according to your repository's collaborator settings. If they don't see the email right away, they can look under the notifications bell in GitHub, and checking spam can help. One last tip. Make sure the person you're inviting already has a GitHub account and share any contribution or branch guidelines with them so they know how to get started once access is granted. That's it. Open GitHub, sign in, go to your repository, Settings, Access, Collaborators, Add People, Search, and send the invite. Follow these steps and you'll bring collaborators into your project quickly and safely.